Boom! Hey guys, so today it's finally here. Our toy that we're gonna unbox. I've been waiting for 2 or 3 days, I don't know. So we're gonna need some scissors, I guess, or cutter. So boom! Here it is. Science experience. So after this video, I'm gonna, show you one experiment to get this science experiment. One thing. This was 1 grade, 2 grade, 3 grade, 4, and grade 5. I chose the grade 2 one because I'm a second grade. So my dad's gonna cut the box open. You have to close your eyes, guys. Close to the camera, guys. Let's see what's inside. Oh, and there's 12 bags in all in here. So there's a blue bag, and there's no manual inside of here. But there's a manual inside these baggies. And there's a yellow one. Oh, this one's a little bit heavy. And there's a red one, and there's a green one. So I'm gonna guess which one you are gonna pick in 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm thinking that you guys are gonna pick this one because I think it's because it looks a bit interesting on this one. So let's move this box aside. So we're gonna assemble it in another video, but I'm just gonna show you guys what's inside of here first. So there's this thing. Oh well. And there's the instructions, I guess. And there's also this. I don't have any batteries. Does this need batteries? Oh, we'll try that way. A straw. Brass. So let's see if this thing needs batteries. Yep, this thing needs batteries. And all my batteries are in my cars. So that might be a particular problem. Oh well, I'll only put in the batteries when I need to put in the batteries. So, if you like this video, please smash that like button and turn on this bell. Bye guys.